So today I'm going to be making two corsages. One is for my mom and the other one is for my mother-in-law. So to get right into the video, I do have my glue stick here, my hot glue gun, and the products that I'll be using. So I do have also my wire cutter. I have a scissors and the items that I'm going to be using are 2 roses. This is a Real Touch rose and it's very, very soft. And I got this from Michael's and it was 40% off, and the original price was $8.99. And the other one is same, just a different color, Real Touch. It is very soft, feel like a rose. The other item I got is this, it's Fits design. This is just some decor to dazzle the corsage that I'm going to be making, and I got this from Pioneer Wholesale. The bracelet that I got, the wristlets, are these. It's also from Pioneer Wholesale. And to take this one out so you can see it, it does have pearls on it. They bring it up a little closer to you so you can see. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. It has this little thing on it here. Okay, I'm actually going to glue this down right here for stability. The other one I have this is what it looks like. Okay, nice and blingy. It also has this on it for me to put the flowers. Okay, so this one is for here and this one is for here. I also have the flowers I'm using or lamb ears, and I got this from Michael's. I'm also going to be using some pieces from this flowers, and I got this from Michael as well. And I got this baby's breath from also Michael's. Now I already cut pieces off from that I cut from that, so this is where I got it. Okay, like these I got from these. Okay, I cut the blossom off. All right. And I also have these that I got from these. Okay, so I have two of each. So we have, this is what the bling looks like. Okay, like from here, what they look like. Okay. Okay. And what I did was I cut the lamb ear off. And 2 lamb hair. So now I'm going to get into it and cut this flower off. So this is what it looks like, and it's going to be on the wrist like so. Like so. Now the bracelet is going to be worn like this, and just make sure you position it how you want it. I want it across the wrist and not vertical, so I want it horizontal. So I'm going to put it like so and like so. Okay, let's look at this again. This is for this one. Let's see. Yes. So let's just glue it on. some of the hot glue here and flour down and just squeeze it on like that. And I'm going to take the other one and put on top of this. And squeeze it. So far, this is what you have. I'm going to add a little more glue right here. You want to make sure that it's really glued. So I'm going to put some under here. This part, the base, you can make it. This one's really hard. Dry. It is really dry now. So if you have a bracelet, you can use any bracelet. If you don't have a base like here, you can make a base. And the way you make a base is you would take a leaf. For example, let's use any leaf. You could just take a leaf like this, cut it off like so. Two leaves, and you could take the bracelet, say this is your bracelet and it has no base right here. You could make the base. So you put one here and you glue it on, and then you take the other piece and you glue it on the top right here. Right, and then you will have in the middle, you're going to glue it in the middle of the bracelet though, and this is if you don't have this piece. So you glue it in, and then this could be your base where you could add your flowers. See? So now I'm going to prep these, and what I want to do with these is let them stick out from the flower. So I'm going to use this here. I'm going to measure to how I want it, and I probably just want it sticking out like so. Okay, so I am going to cut this piece off. And I'm going to just twine it around like so. Make this a little circle at the end like so. I'm going to do the other one. Okay, so now you can do two ways. You can add the flower first on here. I'm going to cut this piece off because it's brown and I don't like the way it looks. It's supposed to look natural actually, so I probably should leave it. So you're going to add it like this, and then you can add these, stick them in under there like so, to how you want them. See, you just stick it up and just glue it under there. And I think that's how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to add this flower first. Right in the middle. So far, that's what it looks like. Now we're going to add the bling to it. So what I'm going to do, this piece that I just curled the end, like so. See that? Okay. So I'm going to take this and put one, let's see, like right there, and the other one. We're going to stick this one right here. And there it is. That's what it looks like that, underneath just like that, and you just put it on your hand. There we go.